Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Tips for your first time kayaking. Choose a small, calm body of water. Lakes or ponds with little or no powerboat traffic are ideal. Find a gently sloping sandy beach to launch. Go on a sunny, windless day. If it's breezy, start out by paddling into the wind. Plan on an outing, not an expedition.
Take our lead.
While a canoe is undoubtedly harder to capsize than a kayak, though they're both pretty stable, honestly, a kayak has the advantage of being able to be righted in the event of a rollover. In general, canoes are wider and more stable than kayaks, but kayaks are faster and easier to maneuver.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.